That a lot of people on here like to make fun of white people food for being bland, and I personally generally prefer eating Asian food whenever I can. But then I started cooking, and guys, I have to say, I think we have to give this one to the white people. I think they have mastered the art of cooking with the least amount of effort to make food that is just barely edible. When I make Chinese food, my kitchen turns into an absolute disaster because between me and my partner, I have to make at least 3 different dishes. And so my counter is filled with all these spices and sauces. So you have like salt, black pepper, white pepper, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. You have chili flakes, chili oil, chili powder. You have hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon, Shaoxing wine, 老干妈, 豆瓣酱. By the end of it, my counter looks like the shelf of an H Mart. And because most of these dishes are stir-fried, you have to pay close attention the entire time. So for 45 minutes, you're constantly going like this to make sure that nothing is burning. And then by the time you finish making all the food, you're so exhausted because you've just been doing this for the last 45 minutes. And then you look at the table and you realize that you didn't even make that much food because the serving sizes are never really that big. So by the time you finish dinner, you have nothing left over. So you put in all that work for just one meal. Now compare all of that to white people cooking, okay? You take chicken breast, you take a jar of salsa, you dump them both into an instant pot, you add a packet of taco seasoning, you add chicken stock, you set it for 20 minutes, and you're done. You're done. That's it. You didn't even take out a cutting board, and you will also have enough leftovers for the next 3 days. The only reason why I even started using TikTok in the first place is so that I can master the art of white people cooking. Because you guys know how to cut corners in ways that I didn't even know was possible. The other day on here, I found out that you could buy cans of already peeled potatoes. Why do I even have a peeler? You guys taught me so many different ways in which I can use a microwave. I did not know that you can just make instant noodles in a microwave. I always took out a pot, but now I know that you could actually use the same bowl to cook your noodles and eat from. That's genius. And then you guys kept raving about these air fryers, which I initially didn't really get, but then one was on sale in Costco, and I'm like, you know what, let's get one and see what the fuss is all about. And I have to say, okay, you guys win this one.